manifestation is really just focus. Like, where are you able to focus your attention? It's awareness, it's consciousness, it's focus. When you're laser focused on your mental diet and what's going on in your head, watch how fast your reality will shift. Like, it is just so fast. Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you my step-by-step morning manifestation routine. A lot of you ask me, Lisa, how do you manifest? What do you do? So I'm going to be sharing with you the exact steps that I do. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like this video right now, I'm gonna literally wait for you to hit that like button right now. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the very first step that I wanna mention is that we manifest all the time. We manifest 24/7. There's not like just the time where you like consciously actively do the thing where you manifest, and we create our reality based on our beliefs, our self-concept, even the state of our nervous system. Okay, I'm going to get into nervous system later in the video, so stay tuned for that. Based on our beliefs, self-concept, nervous system, our habitual thoughts, and our actions. So there's a lot of things that go into manifestation, but the most crucial moments where you can impress your subconscious mind with your desires and what you want to create into the hologram of this reality is, as we all know, the hypnagogic and hypnopompic states, which is basically when you wake up in the morning and when you go to sleep at night, because you're in a different brainwave state. You're not in the busy beta mind yet. You're more in like an alpha or even theta state of consciousness, where the door to your subconscious is more open. So those are the times that you want to use to consciously impress your subconscious with what it is that you desire. So usually when I wake up, I do like a check-in, and I immediately like catch my thoughts and I redirect them to what I want them to be. Pay close attention to what you're thinking about when you're waking up, because again, your thoughts, it's not that they're more powerful in the morning, but they have more impact into your subconscious. The next step is my favorite part of the day, is my sacred morning ritual, where I take anywhere from 10 up to 30 minutes where I drink my morning beverage, get some fresh air, and this is really where I start to either meditate. I notice when I take time out of the day to create these sacred practices in the morning and in the evening, I'm much more grounded, I'm much more able to handle challenges throughout the day, and also I'm a lot more productive. Speaking of productivity, groundedness, staying focused, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I don't consume coffee because it just gives me a lot of anxiety. I'm very sensitive to caffeine. My brain works so fast, but I'm also not able to consciously focus on anything. And you know, what I always mention is that manifestation is really just focus. Like, where are you able to focus your attention? It's awareness, it's consciousness, it's focus. When you're laser focused on your mental diet and what's going on in your head, watch how fast your reality will shift. Like, it is just so fast. So I was looking for alternatives to coffee in the morning. That's where today's sponsor, Mud Water, comes in. This is what you need in your life to be focused, have immune support, be balanced. It is a coffee alternative, so if you've been wanting to get off of coffee, but you still want a little bit of that caffeine, it does have a tiny fraction of what a normal cup of coffee has. It's a unique blend of masala, chai, cacao, mushrooms, and powerful plants known as adaptogens. So unlike caffeine, which basically borrows the energy from your day, so you don't have any energy left at the end of the day, leading to a crash, the adaptogens in mud water gently elevate your energy and help you stay that way throughout the day. So you basically feel awake and focused without the jitters and the negative side effects from too much coffee. Personally, I am obsessed with mud water. When I use it, I feel a lot more clearer, grounded, focus, like I'm able to focus a lot better. It is so delicious. It's my treat every morning. I mix this with almond milk. You can also mix it with water, put it in your smoothies. This is like your favorite chai latte and cacao had a baby. They also have tons of recipes that you can use. I personally love the mocha mud latte and the matcha iced latte. Those are my favorites. If you want to try out mud water and help you break free from caffeine, you can go to mudwtr.com/LisaAlexandra to grab your special offer and get $20 off their morning ritual starter kit with a free frother. It's a $60 value, so the link is right here and in the description box below. Also, when you use my link, it helps the channel and helps me make more of these amazing videos for you guys. So thank you for your support, and let's jump into the next step. So the next step that I do while I'm enjoying my morning beverage and sitting outside and just enjoying nature, I work on my self-concept. I've created an entire video where I explain why self-concept is the foundation to manifest. Because if your self-concept if your affirmations and visualizations, all the stuff that you're doing, isn't matching, isn't in alignment with your self-concept, it just won't be as easily to manifest as when you work on your self-concept, because your self-concept basically pulls in your reality on autopilot, because it is about being, not about doing. And I explain this in so much more detail in another video. So basically the questions that I ask myself is, what is that version of me? The version of me that I'm trying to manifest. What is she thinking, doing, being? How is she behaving? What are her thoughts? How does she feel? What is the state of awareness? My voice is like a little raspy because of the AC. What is the state of consciousness and awareness of my desired reality? Like, who do I have to be? Who do I have to be in order to pull that into my reality? Those are powerful questions. If you can tap into that during the day, watch how powerful this is and how fast your reality will shift. The next step, which is probably my favorite and changed my entire life, I talk a lot about this in my community, Limitless, so feel free to join that below, because your nervous system has the final say on what you will manifest or not. Our bodies are so intelligent, they're so powerful, and your nervous system is the most archaic, survival-based system in your body, right? It governs your entire body. When we go into fight or flight or freeze, it is not something that we consciously choose to do. It is just something that happens before we can even think. Believe it or not, your nervous system is in control, okay? The most common thing that people misunderstand is that they don't choose the state of their nervous system. If you've been in a state of freeze for years and years because of trauma, right? You can try all the methods, all the things. You won't be able to pull it into your reality because your nervous system is like, no, this doesn't feel safe to me. Let's just stay here where it is safer. I am keeping you safe right now. I'm keeping you in survival mode. This is on a neurological level how our bodies and our brains work, right? So when we do the nervous system work, we show our bodies that it is safe to be here right now in the present moment, and that manifestation, that big thing that you're trying to pull into your reality, is safe for you to have, and that it's okay, and that it gets to be the new norm, right? This is where a lot of people fall short, because they think that they can manifest that without doing all the work, without doing the nervous system work. An example is a lot of people are stuck in fight mode in their nervous system. You can see it on social media. Everybody's attacking everyone. People are being nasty, and they're just like constantly activated and feeding off of these chemicals of, that fight response. Is because most of society is unfortunately stuck in that fight mode because they haven't done the work. Okay, so last step that I do is throughout the day I would just repeat affirmations. Whatever I'm manifesting currently, I just have a mental diet and I check in every hour with myself, and I just repeat certain affirmations in my mind while I'm driving, while I'm cooking, while I'm cleaning, while I'm doing like daily chores and tasks like that, while I'm showering. I would just repeat to myself the thoughts that I would have if my manifestation was already here. This can be general. You can use umbrella affirmations such as, I'm so supported, my life is amazing, everything always works out for me, I always get what I want, oh my god, it has finally all happened for me. Those are like general affirmations, but you can also be very, very specific. If you feel better being specific, you can say, I make $20,000 a month, I'm so happy, I'm grateful, I feel so good now that I'm making $20,000 a month. If you can use this for your SP, you know the gist of affirmations. So you can be general or specific. If you have resistance, I would say be more general, because that gets you into a more state where your mind can like accept the affirmation easier. And if it feels good to you to be more specific, then be more specific. Just use what feels best for you. Don't force it. If you force it, you create resistance. So this was my manifestation morning routine. Comment down below, what is your favorite manifestation practice? Like, what is the thing that has given you like the most results? Because we're not keeping secrets over here, okay? Like we're spilling it all. Don't forget to check out Mud Water, and I will see you in my next video.